Today I'm covering some steps and a little tutorial on how I set up OBS to do my videos. Yes, so I use OBS to do my videos. That's how I get all the little, which way? This way, little things put on top of here. That's how I do the little video rolls and things like that. I don't do any cuts or jump cuts or edits or anything else. I just do it. I just jump in, do the video. I have all the little pieces set up in OBS already. So like if I switch to the intro video here or the exit video, all those are already in my screen. So all I have to do is just bring it up and start recording. Okay, so here I've got OBS. It's loaded, it's blank. This is a VirtualBox that I've got everything loaded in, so we're going to be using that to kind of do a practice run, kind of set up how I have everything set up. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is grab a video capture device. Now for my main camera I have a C920, and it comes up with a square video, which I don't want starting with. So I'm going to change the resolution to custom, and for this example I normally set it to 1920 by 1080, but we're going to set it to 1280 by 720 just to kind of save on bandwidth and everything else in the video. So this is kind of like my opening. I have the logo and some other things on the screen, but this is where I start. Then I do a new scene, because now so when I go to my video I start with kind of the hook line, right? That's what they're calling it. You say this is what we're doing today, and boom, and then you show the quick video intro, and then off to the video. Okay, so in the intro what I want to do is I'm going to select a media source. I have a intro video that I have already created. Intro video. Okay, so there we go. We got the intro video, and boom, I do that and it plays the intro video. Okay, so once it gets done with the intro video, something that I don't like is that it goes blank. Now I can have it just continue to loop and play over and over again, or you can uncheck this show nothing when playback ends, and then when it goes through and gets done, it will just hang and sit on the last screen. So then now I can go and do other things. If I'm not ready to switch off the intro or whatever, I don't click on it fast enough, then the user watching the video doesn't get any black or blank screen. Okay, so now that we have the intro, now we need what I like to call picture-in-picture. So in my picture-in-picture, we're going to add the video capture device, which we already have. So we can just say add existing, my C920. So there's my C920 there. So we're going to make that a little smaller. And then we're going to add a window capture. So that's going to capture some window that is out there. So this is going to be Firefox. I have Firefox loaded up, so there it is. Click OK, and now we've got Firefox and we've got our little window. Now some people in their videos, they will simply have the browser there and they will have their little video of themselves, sitting next to it with nothing else around it, just black underneath them. And I mean, that seems, quick and dirty kind of thing, where it's like, okay, I'm just gonna throw this up and kind of do that. But I'm a little bit more complete. I like being a little bit more complete about my video and how it looks. So I've created this. So if you see on this video that you're watching right now, here there's the plate and everything else that's on here that I call it a plate. Has all the information on it and kind of a design background and stuff like that. So all we have to do is add that as an image. So I'm going to call it plate, and browse here, look it up, go to pictures, and here's the main panel plate. Okay. So now we have this plate added, and you can see there are portions in this where everything shows through, because those parts of the plate, it's a PNG type image. Those are transparent, so once we have that, then we can start, position this video here and get it so it looks, right. I mean, this camera's down a little low, so it's got the up the nose look. If you hold down the Alt key in OBS and click one of the little dots, you can kind of crop it out. And then I can take my, go back. Okay, I can take my Firefox window, put it up here, drag it, kind of expand it. So now I've got a Firefox window here. So now I've got a whole display, right? I can start at my main intro. Hi, we're here for the show and everything else. Do the actual intro video, and then drop to this picture-in-picture where I'm going to say this is what we're talking about today, and actually go through and scroll it. It all looks professional and all looks very curated, that there's a reason for things being on it. And this big black space that most people have underneath their picture or above or to the side or whatever is actually filled in with some helpful information. So now that we've got that, now I need to end the video. So then we're going to do the exit. So I have a exit video for this. So we're just going to go back to media source. This is going to be exit video. Okay. So we go here, and in videos, we have my end video. And then I'm going to say, instead of show nothing, when the playback ends, I'm going to click that off so that it shows the last frame. So then it goes, and boom, we have the exit part where it says thanks for watching. So now I have it all set up. So I have my main. I could actually add some other things, like in my here where we have the little lower third kind of piece. I have that. You can add that to the front. You can do different things on the front that you want. Then we go to the intro video scene. Then we have our picture-in-picture where we're going to explain things or whatever. And this doesn't necessarily have to be a web page. This could be just the whole second monitor. If I click here, then that's going to show the whole entire second monitor. Or I have this other trailer view where it can show something. We have the sky cam, which is up here. So we can do different things and create different scenes. I have 3 cameras, so that makes it easy to have different views and switch to different things. But for the base setup, we've got the 4 different pieces: the main intro, the picture-in-picture, and our exit video. So all that is done, and boom, we can start making videos and not have to, we can do them straight through. We don't have to record one section, then save that, and then record another section, and then save that, and then take some other software and load it and put it together, later after the fact. So it's all one thing straight through. All right. Well, that's how I do it. That's how I get things all going on my videos. If you've got some other way, if you made a video about how you set up OBS and use it, well, then you can post that link down below. If you got some other questions about how I set it up or different things that I use in my studio or anything like that, then leave a question down there. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you like any, all the videos that I do, if you browse my channel, see all the different videos I do, and hey, these are good videos, then subscribe to my channel and you'll continue to get those videos. All right. Well, thanks for watching today. Take care.